How to download Roblox on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can download Roblox on PS4. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you want to download Roblox on PS4, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to actually go to your PlayStation Store. Now, Roblox is now officially available on PlayStation Store, by the way, for both PS4 and PS5. Then from there, you can simply go to the search bar. Then from the search bar, what you can do is you can simply search for Roblox. And once you search, on the right hand side you'll see the result, and it's a completely free game. You don't have to really pay for it. And if you want to download it, just make sure you have enough storage, and here you'll see the download option. In my case, I've already downloaded it, so you're seeing the start option here, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically download Roblox on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.